What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best stick welders on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Lincoln Electric Stick Welder. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile stick welder, the Lincoln Electric Arc Welder is worth considering. Known for its exceptional performance and durability, this welder is designed for residential use and offers a range of features that make it a standout choice for welding enthusiasts and professionals alike. Broad welding amperage range. The Lincoln Electric K1170 AC225 offers a broad welding amperage range of 40A to 225A, providing versatility for various welding tasks. Whether you're working with thin metals or heavy-duty materials, this welder delivers consistent and reliable performance. Smooth AC arc. One of the standout features of this welder is its smooth AC arc, which ensures precise and clean welds on a wide variety of metals including steel, cast iron, and stainless steel. The smooth arc minimizes spatter and ensures optimal weld penetration, resulting in high-quality welds every time. Portable design. With its portable design, the Lincoln Electric K1170 AC225 is easy to transport and maneuver, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor welding projects. Whether you're working in a garage, workshop, or job site. Number 4. Amico Welder. The Amico Welder, specifically the Amico Power Amico Arc 165, is a versatile welding machine designed to meet the demands of professional welders as well as hobbyists. With its advanced IGBT inverter technology, this welder offers excellent arc stability and a range of features that enhance its performance and usability. Dual voltage compatibility. The Amico Arc 165 operates on both 115V and 230V power sources, providing flexibility and convenience for various welding environments. Advanced technology. Equipped with IGBT inverter technology, this welder ensures stable arcs and precise welds, making it suitable for a wide range of welding projects. User-friendly design. The welder features a hot start function, anti-sticking mechanism, and adjustable force settings, making it easy to start and operate even for beginners. The LED amperage display adds convenience by allowing users to monitor the welding current accurately. Robust construction. Number 3. VEVOR Stick Welder. The VEVOR Stick Welder is a powerful and versatile welding machine designed to meet the diverse needs of both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. With its innovative features and robust construction, this welder offers unmatched performance and reliability for a wide range of welding applications. Dual voltage compatibility. The VEVOR Stick Welder features automatic voltage conversion between 110V and 220V, ensuring compatibility with various power sources and making it suitable for different welding environments. 3-in-1 functionality. Seamlessly integrating stick welding, arc/lift TIG, and plastic repair capabilities, this welder offers unparalleled flexibility in your workshop. The addition of the plastic repair feature expands the machine's utility, allowing for a wider range of repairs and projects. Easy arc starting. With its built-in smart hot start technology, the VEVOR Stick Welder provides easy and quick arc starting, reducing the hassle and time spent on initiating the weld. The arc force feature ensures smoother welding and deeper penetration, resulting in high-quality welds every time. Anti-stick technology. Say goodbye to sticky welding rods with the anti-stick electrodes feature of the VEVOR Stick Welder. This technology prevents the welding rod from sticking to the workpiece, enhancing efficiency and reducing downtime during welding tasks. Additionally, the VRD electric shock protection design enhances user safety during operation. Number 2. Forney Welder. The Forney EZ-Weld 298 Arc Welder 100ST is a compact and versatile welding machine designed for residential use, offering convenience and reliability for various welding projects. With its innovative features and user-friendly design, this welder is suitable for both beginners and experienced welders alike. Inverter power system. The Forney EZ-Weld 298 features an advanced inverter power system, providing efficient and stable welding performance. This system ensures consistent welds and minimizes power consumption, making it an ideal choice for home workshops and DIY projects. 120-volt input, 90-amp output. With its 120-volt input and 90-amp output, this arc welder delivers sufficient power for welding tasks while remaining compatible with standard household power outlets. The optimal output ensures smooth and precise welds on a variety of materials. TIG capable. The Forney EZ-Weld 298 is TIG capable. Number 1. Hobart Stickmate. Hobart Stickmate 160i is a reliable and rugged welding machine designed to meet the demands of both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. With its lightweight and portable design, this stick welder offers convenience and versatility for various welding projects. Dependable performance. The Hobart Stickmate 160i is known for its dependable and reliable performance, making it a trusted choice for welding professionals. Whether you're working on construction sites or in your workshop, this welder delivers consistent results. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.